Alright, and we're back with another video, guys. Your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with
Kayzy
and a special guest.
Poptain, yeah boy.
Yeah, boy. We are Kuno.
What's up, fam?
Alright, so as you know, guys, he released a song called Before, the official music video.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna be reacting today. What can you tell us? What can we expect from the song? Can you tell us what's the song about? Satotanga.
Yeah. I guess maybe because people fall in love in different ways. Everybody relates to it in a different way. But my side of the story was like, people start like having affections, like girl affections, like when they're young, at the age of maybe 10 or 1.
Okay.
I get it. There's some girls that you see and wish for, but you never get a chance to let them know.
Okay, the ones that you let go.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So now this was a lucky opportunity of meeting that girl Makura. So now the guy was trying to ask the girl out, but now the girl had a lot of things before, and she wasn't even ready to jump into another thing because she thinks guys will always let her down.
Okay.
I had to convince her, to say.
Alright, so now let's get into the video, guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Comment down below thoughts of the song, and let's get it.
The truth is I love you, but I cannot promise to tell you things you never heard before. Of course, yes, I love you, and I promise I'm not like whoever you were with before. You were with before. You were with before. I can never be like whoever you were with before. Never heard before. Never heard before. I can never tell you things you never heard before.
I like how you the beat, then how you were transitioning from the hook then to the is that a pre-hook? Then a hook?
The Shona one. Yeah, that was like a kind of a pre-chorus, yeah.
Okay. And I can never tell you. I can tell you something.
I cannot tell you things you never heard before.
I cannot tell you things that you've never heard before. Yeah, I'm speaking anymore.
I believe it's a baby.
I believe it's a baby.
Wait.
Kiss before you open.
Okay. Samba nofana ngene bebangwanyo bazokasiana siana. Watu chocolate watu hata abanye pap efana make sure ukuthi kunze kotsamba kwega kungori
madoroki
kakarokikota
sadoza maita muneteni real
andaiona zvichiitwa nemasistrani nemablazi ndanditongoriwo level revaitumwa netsamba manje.
I can't tell you no new life, but I can give you a new life. Do me, I do you, make you amaze me, make me ask what you do.
I can tell you a new lie,
Yeah.
but I can give a new life.
A new life, yeah, exactly, which is a new love life.
Yeah, right.
Like just like girls, they have every girl has a tenacious story to tell. So like me, it would be the new life would be like a new chapter, but I'm not a tenacious, but I'll be a new chapter. Pandara so itana ningi.
Read your bedtime story, I'll make you get to know me. Love we balance, I will give you a chance to reminisce when you were born. Dokuba, Rudo no shua, Iwe wando sua, Rudo re mashua. The truth is I love you, but I cannot promise to tell you things
Madanzi. As you can see, these are some Nigerian names. Andoro Manje. Just because I used to struggle a lot trying to copy Madanza, I just thought, let me just move with the way Andrew Kunzwani with the sound. You know, Saka, it was just.
The Titina video. The Titina amount.
Titina amount.
Yeah, do Madanza. Yeah.
And Ango Funga, like now, because like you are in the Ango Mafunga Kudara, and I have to come up with new dances. But some people come and suggest a dance. You say, bro, you should try a dance. Just like now, I have a new dance called Sunda, but it was like from a DJ from Cape Town.
Okay. Is that a release on?
Manje ninga kubuda banda mboti tambe kuma shows go na kutona kiro tona.
Atuzo go ibiri.
You can never be like whoever you were with before. Never had before. Never had before. I can never tell you things you never heard before. Chisimuka watiene uniwa. Matacha kwenini batecha kuchiteteze tiene. Simuka wakatiene uniwa. Akuru manzebenya wako ita iwaneni tiene. You were with people. You were with people. Never be like whoever you were with before. Never had before.
It's very funny.
Flex was here. I think in the party flexible pound. Whenever I can move, it's the waistline.
It's the waistline. But that shown up on the story. I really like how that could you in the Zimbabwe. I like the vibe of the vibe, actually.
Thanks a lot, man, and thanks for even identifying what's new and what's put in on the project and everything. I'm really happy, you know.
It was mixed in proper. Video. Who did the video?
This is a nice Soro video. Jena, SIMDOC.
SIMDOC.
Mad team.
I can never tell you things you never heard before.
Yes. I really like the song because do you know the thing is it's a different sound, but it still has a vibe, a dancey vibe, which is your type of side of
exactly,
which is why it's unique. And sound Kenya,
thanks, bro. We have to put in and a really big shout out to the producer Mega T. Like I wanna be Tragadrog Dara. I had to just put in meditation according to what I'm hearing. So like the man had done the work already.
Okay.
Which is amazing.
That's why I say artists, they're really talented, because just making up a hook, a verse from just a beat,
Nice.
But thank you so much for joining us today. Any thoughts on the song? It's got a message and a message if it a vibe with. That's the combination of the two. Budita song and making it like it's trending right now. It's trending.
It's on number 3.
It's trending number 3. So make sure you go stream it, guys. Please stream it. The link will be in the description. Scroll down, check it out. Shout out to Poptain for joining us today. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me, my G's. Keep going, keep doing the work.
Should we do the next one?
Yeah. Alright, so we've got one more song I want to do with Poptain.
Poptain.
So make sure you check the description box and go stream this song before. And what you know?
Sunda.
Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. That's it for the video.